Welcome to the Productive Diaries. Going to the new year, 2024, and I'm really excited for this year, just creating new YouTube videos, having so much ideas, so much projects that I want to work on. This video is the Productive Diaries, and there's a lot of things going on in my life. I need to find a job. I just graduated. I need to open up my business after I just came back from Singapore and Korea, which is my holiday. I'm currently also editing those videos. I'm also moving houses as well, so there's a lot of things to do, and I want to bring you guys along with the journey with me in this Productive Diaries series as I try to be as productive as possible and achieve my 2024 goals this year. Yeah, I'm just really excited. Now I'm in the process of playing Honkai Impact Style, going through my wardrobe, trying to find which clothes that don't resonate with me anymore, and the clothes that I am planning to give away and donate, because I have a lot of clothes that I don't wear anymore because they were my style like 2 years ago when I was fresh young adult and I was wearing a lot of skimpy clothes, and now that's not my style anymore. Honestly, I don't think that these actually fit me anymore, so So in Korea, I tried Americano for the first time, which in Australia is a long black, and they loved having iced long blacks in Korea. So I decided to try it with a dash of soy milk. And to be honest, it's not that bad. Like, it just tastes like acidic water because the coffee beans is a bit acidic in this one. So it's just more flavorful instead of having like just bitter coffee. This coffee here, it's more acidic. It just feels really light, like you're drinking a very light coffee. Because I'm used to having lattes, and lattes is very heavy on the milk. And since ice is very cold, it just brings out like this, yeah, acidic richness flavor, which I really kind of enjoy, surprisingly. Like, I didn't put any sugar inside this. And yeah, one thing about what I like to say about it is it does not feel very heavy. The coffee, because usually when I drink coffee, it feels like low-key like a little snack because I put a lot of milk inside, and it's very sugary as well. But this one is very light, in my opinion. I just came back from Korea and I bought this snack, which is this banana flavored choco pie. I'll show you what the packaging looks like. Anyways, it looks really interesting. Like, I haven't seen this flavor at all in Australia yet. Well, I haven't, so if there is, let me know. But this is my first time trying it. It smells so nice. If you like the artificial banana taste, I think you'll enjoy this. It's so good. I'm really excited today because me and my boyfriend will be celebrating my belated birthday. So when I went to Korea and Singapore, so I didn't get to celebrate it with my boyfriend, and today let's take me out. So I'm really excited and I'm gonna get ready for it. Here's a new product that I've been trying lately, which is from Vionna that I bought from Korea, and this is the Annual Heart Leaf Clear Pad, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's really cool because it comes with this and you can just stick it on. It's just like a toner. I'm using it on my face before putting anything else on, before I do my makeup. I'm just showered and I'm gonna go get ready now. this is the outfit that I'm going to be wearing today. I'm so excited because it's Sanrio themed, it's cinnamon roll themed. So cute, this blouse. And then I'm also going to be wearing these pants. Here's to another day. I am incredibly exhausted because my sleep habits ever since I got back from my holiday has been shit. I don't know, I can't sleep early and I can't wake up early, so it's just kind of like ruining my routine because I like to wake up early to get my workouts done earlier. Really hot in Sydney right now and I do not want to be. I'm gonna try and make myself a goal to like walk every single day. I'm gonna say I'm gonna walk at 10 a.m. in the morning, but already like 30 degrees outside. Maybe I'll go walking in the afternoon. I may probably have to make that habit done with it. Like last night, I just did not feel tired at all. And yes, I watched some Korean drama. I wasn't feeling tired at all and it's really hot and stuff in my room. Now I'm really just pushing myself to do a workout now. I'm just gonna follow a YouTube workout. Hello, it has been a hot minute since I've filmed. But today I have a lot of things to do. I am still packing to move out. I'm editing, I'm doing a lot of things with my business, editing some videos for YouTube as well. So here is the state of my room right now. Everything's pretty messy, but I have a bunch of boxes. Everything is starting to get cleared up. It's my stuff, my business, my computer's there. I think my cupboard's kind of getting cleared up. There's still a bunch of clothes that I need to clear. There's still quite a lot of things I need to do today and I'm going to take you guys along with me.